What is mitochondrial disease? Mitochondrial disease is a group of over 300 illnesses caused by a defect in the mitochondria, affecting 1 in 5,000 people worldwide. Mitochondria is a small cell part where our body's energy is created. Nutrients such as fat and sugar are mixed together with oxygen, which produces energy. And energy is needed in all activities, from simple ones to more complex, such as sleeping, thinking, seeing, petting, enjoying a meal, working, solving problems, breathing, exercising, and walking. Now, imagine if something gets wrong in the mitochondria. And disease that disrupts mitochondrial ability to produce energy can have significant impact in our lives. If the situation is already chaotic for the cell, imagine for tissues with high demand for energy, such as the brain, which consumes about 20% of the total energy the body needs. Diseases caused by damaged mitochondria can be varied, can affect any organ or tissue in the body, causing symptoms like mental dysfunction, fatigue, blindness, heart failure, and walking problems. They can also appear different times through our life. And treatment options today are very limited, and this is why we are working on 3 different approaches. First, we are investigating the mitochondrial DNA variations in mental illnesses. DNA is the book of life, and variations in the mitochondrial DNA can cause severe problems in the cell and its energy production. Some cells, such as neurons, seem to be more affected by damaged mitochondria than others, and the same cell can have defected and healthy mitochondria. Thus, to investigate whether those variants are associated with schizophrenia and bipolar, we are using DNA sequencing approach integrated with brain image analysis. Second, we are quantifying the cell-free mitochondrial DNA. An attempt to alleviate the problems caused by mitochondrial DNA variations, the cell starts to eject the damaged mitochondria, which sends a warning signal to the body's defense system. If mitochondria die, their DNA is released into body's fluid. Through circulating mitochondrial DNA, we can monitor a disease and detect the stage of it. Third, we are investigating NAD booster potential. NAD is naturally produced by our body and is the key participant in the energy production. Its deficiency is being associated with various diseases, including Alzheimer's. NAD booster may play a preventive role in the development of mental disorders, alleviating symptoms or slowing down its progression. Our goal is to examine the effects of its supplementation for 12 weeks in individuals with and without mental disorder. Approaches like these can be useful to combat mitochondrial disease and improve well-being to those who are suffering from it. Thank you for watching. Do you have any questions?